Hello everyone, I'm Sam B. Morris, your favorite graphic designer, and today we are going to discuss graphic design and its basics. To understand graphic design and its basics, we first need to understand what is graphic design. Graphic design, there are two words. You got graphic and you got designs. The graphic aspect of graphic design has to do with the visual elements, and these are the elements that you see. There are 7 basic visual elements of graphic design. You got line, you got color, you got shape, you got form, you got texture, space, and typography. These are the 7 basic visual elements of graphic design, and these are worth remembering. Design, on the other hand, is to decide how something will look and what problem it will solve. There are 8 principles that we follow in design to ensure that we produce great designs. These principles are alignment, balance, contrast, proximity, repetition, hierarchy, simplicity, and function. No matter what kind of designs you do or what kind of design you may want to do, these skills, both the visual elements and the principles of designs, are important to master. Good understanding of these skills will help you to become a better graphic designer. Since graphic refers to the visual elements and design means how our elements will look and what problems it will solve, therefore, graphic design is the presentation of information through visual elements to solve a specific problem or deliver a particular message. As a graphic designer, you first need to understand information. This information can come up as brief. Then you need to research, imagine, and create the solution so you can tell your story or the solution to that problem in a visual way. As graphic designers, we first need to have an idea of the solution before we start to solve our problems using color, typography, or any other tools that we need in solving that problem. That is what graphic design is. Knowing how to effectively combine the visual elements and the design principles will help in making you a better visual communicator. In the upcoming video, I will be discussing the elements and principles of design separately. In the next video, I'm going to discuss the first element of design, and that is line. If you find this video interesting and educative, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, I'm Sam B. Morris, your favorite graphic designer, and don't forget to keep creating designs that solve problems. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.